You asked, how to divide 7228 by 6 using the long division method. 7 divided by 6 equals 1. 1 times 6 equals 6. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Bring down 2, making 12. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. 2 times 6 equals 12. 12 minus 12 equals 0. Bring down 2, making 2. 2 divided by 6 equals 0. 0 times 6 equals 0. 2 minus 0 equals 2. Bring down 8, making 28. 28 divided by 6 equals 4. 4 times 6 equals 24. 28 minus 24 equals 4. The remainder is 4. The final result is 1204 remainder 4.